checking in. How's it going? So I'm out here on my next adventure in the Horseshoe Bay area. Once I get there, I'll check in with you guys later. All right, peace out. Alright, so right now we are approaching the Whyte Lake, and there's the little doggy Attila. Hey Attila! On this deck, I believe. Quite nice. Nice lake. Nice dry day. Yeah, it's quite nice. Go for a dip, man! Go for a dip. Amy here checking in. How's it going? So I finally arrived to Whyte Lake. Whyte Lake is located at the Horseshoe Bay, Baden Powell, Nelson Canyon Park, somewhere around that area. It's quite nice of a hike. There's the trail crew in the background. And now we're going to continue on our little adventure. And then once I get there, I will check in with you guys later. All right, see ya. Checking in. How's it going? So I finally arrived to the West Knob lookout. Let's talk about the trail stats on here. Earlier we were at Whyte Lake. If you're doing a Whyte Lake out and back, it's only 5 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 160 meters and rated as easy. Average time will probably take you about 2 hours to complete. And then if you want to do the West Knob trail, it'll be 12 kilometers round trip with an elevation gain of 610 meters. From the high point is 720 meters. And then average time will probably take you about 5 hours to complete, and it is rated as intermediate. So you could actually make this hike longer, incorporating Whyte Lake and West Knob trail, and make it a longer distance. Anyways, last time I was here a year and a half ago, I'd have no view for you because it was like in the pouring rain. But this time I have a little bit of view for you of the islands, okay, like Keats Islands, Gibsons, and Bowen Island, a little bit. Here's all my trail buddies in the background somewhere. But yeah, so it's nice to fit in this little workout on a dry day. Really nice. Anyways, I hope you guys like my YouTube adventures, and if you guys do, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned for my next one. All right, peace out.